Hey, I'm Kate, and I have made dozens of photo books here on Mixbook. So if you're looking to make a graduation photo book for someone you love, then stick around because I've got some seriously good tips to make it extra special for them. Let's go. Okay, first up, we have to talk personalization because this is where you can make the book feel like them. And it all starts with picking a theme, and Mixbook has tons to choose from. You can even make this process super simple by choosing a ready for you grad theme by going to the photo book theme page and clicking yearbooks. Whether you want something modern and minimal or bold and full of school spirit, scroll around and find a theme that your graduate will love the most. Once you have your base design, now is where the fun really starts. You can customize the color, switch up the page layouts, and even add their school colors throughout the book. And don't forget the stickers. If you type in graduation into the stickers search bar, there are so many to choose from, but you can also add ones that show off who they are, like a soccer ball for the team captain, a drama mask for the theater kid, or a stack of books for the one who basically lived at the library. Now, one of my favorite ideas, if they already know where they're going next, you can upload their future college logo as a sticker. This is just such a fun way to celebrate what's ahead while looking back. Basically, every page is a chance to make the photo book feel more like them, whether that's with colors, fonts, photos, or just those little personal touches that only you and your family would think to include. Now that you know how to add all the personalization, let's go on to something that gives me all the feels. Next, let's talk about the emotional stuff because this book isn't just a place to add photos, it's a chance to add messages from friends and family. Something I'd highly recommend for a graduation photo book is to leave space for handwritten notes from their friends or family to add at a grad party, or even better, collect messages ahead of time and type them right into the book. That way, grandparents, uncles, faraway friends all get to be part of this memory. You could even turn one page into a words of wisdom spread where everyone shares their best advice for the road ahead. Okay, let's move on to what photos to actually put into this graduation book. So we've all heard of a glow up, right? If you really want to pull at the heartstrings, do a glow up section in the graduation photo book. Start with baby photos because every grad secretly likes to look back at their awkward phases. Then add snapshots from kindergarten, their first recital, school trips, prom, all the moments that got them here. You could even group pages by school year with space for captions to call out funny or big achievements along the way. Speaking of, let's go talk about captions. If you're ever stuck finding the right words, Mixbook Smart Captions have your back. This is where you can find smart captions and honestly have fun refreshing the captions that it comes up with. Or you can even go to by topic and click graduation to get super specific grad caption ideas. You can always tweak the wording to make it sound more personal, but it is such a time saver, especially when you're staring at a blank page. So whether you go all out with stickers and captions or make it more sleek and simple, the best graduation photo books are the ones that are personal. Mixbook makes it easy to create something totally unique, and honestly, this is one of the best gifts you can give because years from now, they'll still be flipping through this with a smile on their face. Happy creating and a big congratulations to your grad from Mixbook.